Wudu isn't just washing, it's how Muslims prepare to stand before God. It begins not with water, but with something deeper. Step 1. Intention, or Niyyah. Before touching the water, the Muslim quietly makes the decision in the heart to purify, to obey, and to prepare for prayer. No words, no movement, just purpose. Step 2. Saying Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It's recommended by the majority of scholars, and some consider it obligatory, so it is better to keep it. Step 3. Washing the hands. Start by washing both hands up to the wrists 3 times, beginning with the right hand, then the left. This prepares the hands for the rest of the wudu steps. Step 4. Rinsing the mouth. Take water into the mouth, swish it around thoroughly, and spit it out 3 times. This is called madmadah, and it helps cleanse the mouth before standing in prayer. Step 5. Inhaling water into the nose and expelling it. Now, bring water to the nose. With the right hand, inhale gently, and with the left, blow it out. Do this 3 times. This is called istinshaq and istinthar, a way to cleanse the nose before standing in prayer. Note, it is sunnah to combine the rinsing of the mouth and nose using the same handful of water. This means that with 1 scoop of water, a person first rinses their mouth, then inhales water into their nose. Both actions are repeated 3 times, following the practice of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Combining them in a single motion is recommended, but doing them separately with a different scoop of water for each is also valid and correct. Step 6. Washing the face. Now wash the entire face 3 times, from the top of the forehead to the bottom of the chin and from ear to ear. If there's a beard, wash over it, and if it's light, let the water reach the skin beneath. Step 7. Washing the arms. After the face, move on to the arms, starting with the right. Use your hand to pour water from the fingertips, slowly up to the elbow, making sure every part is reached. Do this 3 full times, not rushing. Let the water touch the skin, the front and the back. Then repeat the same for the left arm, with the same care and focus. Every drop matters, and no part should be left dry. Purify your limbs with water, and your intentions with reverence. Step 8. Wiping the head and ears. With your hands still wet, wipe over the head once. Start from the front, slide both hands back to the nape of the neck, then return them to the front. Without taking new water, immediately wipe the ears, index fingers inside, thumbs behind. A single smooth motion, just as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to do. Step 9. Washing the feet. Finally, wash the feet, starting with the right, from the toes all the way up to and including the ankles. Do it 3 times and make sure the water reaches between the toes. Then repeat the same for the left foot. Don't miss the back of the heel, as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned strongly about leaving it dry. Perform wudu continuously, without letting one part dry before washing the next. This is called Muwalaat, and it reflects the flow and unity of the act. After completing wudu, it is sunnah to say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Then say, Allahumma aj'alni min at-tawabin, wa aj'alni min al-mutatahhirin. The Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whoever says this after wudu, the gates of paradise will be opened for him, and he may enter through any gate he wishes. If this helped you, let it help someone else. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, and be part of spreading knowledge that brings people closer to Allah, because guiding others is a reward that never ends.